This is a new song of mine. We have no clue what genre this is. If you guys could let us know after the show, we'd love to hear it, because we're trying to figure out how to pitch it and who the hell to pitch it to. Mama, I'm hurting these days in the dirt, and I'm working her always on call. Have you heard from sister, the likes of her mister? She blistered from breaking her fall. Just like a river, she'll take what they give her. They've been delivering her hell. Mother Nature's daughter, they done sold and bought her. No more water in the well. They spend a lifetime breaking us down, watching the tears that go by. Hug you and hope you and tell you how everything's gonna be fine. Pockets are filling, they're making a killing, it's spilling to the top of the dam. Cups running over, it ain't gonna hold her, it's colder and higher than man. Just like the river, she takes what they give her, they've been delivering her hell. Mother Nature's daughter, they done sold and bought her, no more water in the well. They spend a lifetime breaking us down, watching the tears that go by. Hug you and hope you and tell you again how everything's gonna be fine. Sister, good God, how I've missed her. I'm blistered from breaking my fall. Just like the river, she took what they give her. They've been delivering her hell. Mother Nature's daughter, they done sold and bought her. No more water in the well. They spend a lifetime breaking us down. Now that the river's gone dry, hug me and hold me and tell me again, oh, everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Thank you very much.
They just made Eddie Vedder look like a punk bitch.
Oh my God. Tell you what, this band stuff's a workout, folks. Good Lord.